Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D logo in Photopea step by step, even if you're a beginner. This is a really simple way to turn a flat logo or text into something that looks bold, modern, and much more professional. You can use this technique for YouTube branding, thumbnails, social media graphics, gaming logos, or any design where you want your text to stand out. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the logo or text you want to turn into 3D. Go to File, then click Open and choose your logo file. For the best results, use a logo on a transparent background so the edges stay clean and the final effect looks smooth. If you're starting with text, make sure it's already set up the way you want before adding the 3D style. Once your design is open, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. The next step is to convert your logo layer into a smart object. This is very important because it lets you apply effects non-destructively. That means your design stays editable and you can make changes later without damaging the quality. To do this, right-click on the logo layer in the Layers panel, then choose Convert to Smart Object. Once you do that, your layer is ready for the 3D effect. Now it's time to add the actual 3D layer style. Double-click the layer thumbnail in the Layers panel to open the Layer Style window. On the left side of that window, you'll see a list of effects. Find the 3D option near the top and check the box. This activates the extrusion effect that gives your logo its depth. As soon as you enable it, you'll start to see the logo take on a more dimensional look. Next, you need to configure the 3D depth so the logo looks believable. Start by adjusting the angle. This controls the direction the 3D extrusion comes from, so you can rotate the direction wheel until the side walls project the way you want. A common look is down and to the right, because that creates a natural shadow effect. After that, move the depth slider. Increasing the depth makes the logo thicker and more dramatic, while lowering it keeps the effect subtle. Find the balance that fits your design. After that, click the color box for the side walls and choose a darker shade. This is one of the most important parts of making the logo look real, because the sides should appear darker than the front face to simulate natural lighting and shadow. A slightly darker version of your main color usually works really well. If you want a metallic, gaming, or textile logo, try using a deeper gray, navy, or black tone for the side shading. If you want the front of your logo to look even more polished, you can also add Bevel and Emboss. This step is optional, but it makes a big difference, especially if you want a more raised or sculpted effect. While you're still in the Layer Style window, check Bevel and Emboss on the left menu. For style, choose Inner Bevel. For technique, you can use Smooth for a softer rounded look or Chisel Hard if you want a sharper, more robotic style. Then increase the depth and size until the front face feels raised and three-dimensional. A little adjustment goes a long way here, so take your time and preview the effect as you edit. You can also add a drop shadow if you want the 3D logo to feel like it's floating above the background or sitting firmly on it. Just check Drop Shadow in the Layer Style menu and adjust the distance and size. A larger distance makes the shadow spread farther away from the logo, while a softer size creates a more natural blur. This helps separate the logo from the background and adds extra realism to the final result. Once you're happy with the depth, bevel, and shadow, click OK to apply all the styles. At this point, your flat logo should now look like a clean 3D design inside Photopea. You can always go back and double-click the layer again if you want to fine-tune the settings, change the depth, or adjust the shadow later. That's the beauty of using a smart object, everything stays editable. And that's it, you now know how to make a 3D logo in Photopea in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.